Hi everyone, welcome to English for Biomedical Sciences. My name is Tom and I'm your English teacher for this class. I am a lecturer from the Foreign Languages Department in the Foreign Language Education Center at Tsinghua University. Let's introduce this course. First of all, what this course is not. This course is not a traditional English grammar course. Instead, this course is designed for biomedical thinking in English, academic skill training, and confidence building in you. Let's talk about EMI, English as a medium of instruction. With this class being an EMI class, we are going to learn science through English. We're going to learn language through the contents of this course. And this is not a translation course, rather a full English course in biomedical sciences. We are not going to focus on memorization rather than just learning with English in this class. Let's talk about EMI. EMI is two things together at the same time. We are learning language and we are learning content, and together this is EMI. So, content, biomedical sciences, then we'll also be learning English along with it at the same time to promote your language learning skills. We're focusing on academic communication in this course as a professional part of learning English. Let's talk about common student experiences when in an English-only environment. Sometimes the lectures will feel very fast for students if the teacher is speaking and you don't totally understand everything they're saying, and that's okay. Reading may take longer for you, but that's also okay. You need to take your time with the reading of the text. You may experience a fear of speaking, and that is completely normal. I understand that as a student of language myself, and you should understand that that fear is natural and it's okay. You may feel a sense of vocabulary overload, but I would recommend finding a way to keep track of the vocabulary that you are learning and in a way that works for you. You also may experience mental fatigue. You may start to feel tired, and that's okay. Take breaks, take rests as needed. Don't worry, all of these things are normal. A core idea in EMI is that learning English, in this case through science, is a skill. It is not a talent. It does not reflect on your actual intelligence, and it does not reflect on, or it is not influenced by any natural ability. Rather, it is a skill that is developed through practice. Remember, making mistakes means that you will grow and you will learn. Scientists revise their ideas. Researchers often fail in their experiments and then they go back and fix those mistakes too. Communication improves over time when you are practicing your English. So remember, making mistakes is part of learning. How will this course help biomedical students like you? You will learn to understand lectures, read scientific texts, discuss ideas, and ask questions. You will also be asked to write simple academic responses as part of your assignments. Where will you use EMI in the future? You will use EMI techniques during biology lectures, during lab instructions, researching articles, writing your own articles, doing presentations and listening to presentations. You will also be using it when you practice in the future in the hospital and in clinical settings. How should you use these videos in this course? There are some rules to active learning. 1. You should pause the video often and practice. You need to repeat and listen to yourself as you practice the new words and concepts in English. You should be taking notes. You should speak out loud as you are going through the practice that you are doing when you pause the video. And remember to practice the new vocabulary as it is presented to you. In closing, I want you to remember that you are not alone as you are going through this process of learning a new subject in English only. Improvement is predictable as long as you stay on task and make sure that you are doing the things that you're supposed to do. We build our skills step by step, so this is not something that you should feel like you need to do all at once. Let's build confidence in learning English together. Let's practice. Write down this sentence. One challenge I face in English science classes is... And now write down your answer and think about what this problem is for you.